Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today more awesome native perennials have arrived in time for the Spring Open Garden and Plant Sale for Saturday, May 13th from noon to 4 p.m. Now today's delivery is from North Creek Nurseries, which is a fantastic wholesale grower in the South Philadelphia area. And my dear friend Angie, who works there, helped me cultivate the plant list and put this order together for plants that are ideal for growing not only here on my sandy, wet property, but for gardeners all throughout central North Carolina who want to achieve a beautiful native garden that will support pollinators and be low maintenance. So stay tuned to watch my progress as I get all of these plants unboxed. So it's only 12 boxes, but I think there's 4 trays per box. So it's a fairly substantial order. I was gonna wait until Aiden got out of school to help me, but it's going to be raining this afternoon. So I've just gotta put a scoot on it and get these undone so that they can enjoy the rain that we are going to be experiencing for the next couple of days. Well, I swear I'm not starting a nursery. I was really keeping my fingers crossed that we have great attendance and great weather for the Spring Open Garden, because I definitely don't have room for all of these plants here. The reason I bought so many is to be able to share with people. These landscape plugs really are like the greatest invention ever. They are ready to go in the ground. They don't need to be potted up. Even the ones that aren't in quite as large of a cell are ready to be planted directly in the ground. And I'm not going to get into all the specific varieties in today's video. Don't worry, I will. But you can see the entire plant list on my website, breegrows.com. Go to the Spring Open Garden tab. And if you scroll down, you can see specifically everything that I ordered from North Creek. And then you can see everything that arrived last week from New Moon. Tomorrow I will be headed to Hoffman Nursery to pick up some more grasses. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna confess that I was starting to freak out a little bit as I was emptying the boxes because this is a lot of plants. And first and foremost, these are plants that I want to grow here in my brand new natives garden. The reason I ordered so many is because you really don't have access to these unless you can buy wholesale, and most home gardeners can't do that. And so I wanted to make this an opportunity for other people who, have an interest in developing a native garden to be able to access plants at a super affordable price. That are the right size for getting transplanted right now. You don't need to dig a big hole. Like, you really don't need to buy these plants as 1 gallon. However, in saying that, I'm having a bit of a conundrum and I need to crowdsource some advice from you guys. So, the trays are labeled, but they're not labeled individually. And a lot of these are like, 32s or 50s. And I definitely don't want to waste that much plastic writing out labels for every single plant. But I do want people who come to buy plants to be able to identify what they've purchased. And I've not figured out exactly how to do that. Whether I just have labels out for people to write their own. I need your advice, you guys. I need help on figuring this out, because I don't need the plastic labels. So, because I'm going to write out what I plant on my master sheet. So I don't need any labels at all, any disposable labels for myself. And I hate wasting that much plastic. I mean, it's just super gross. So write in the comments what you think I should do. I definitely have to have something so that people can identify, what they're purchasing. And I don't have enough 6-packs to necessarily fulfill everybody's needs. Like, I'm going to sell them for $5 a piece, but 6 for $20. And I think I would come up with other larger quantity pricing once I actually crunch all the numbers from all of these orders. But yeah, I'm like hitting a blank on how to do this efficiently and effectively so that when people buy them, they won't go home and not know what they got. So please give me your ideas. And I really do hope that you'll be able to attend the Spring Open Garden. It is a great time. I do have a handful of dates open for private garden tours that if you're interested in that, you should drop me an email, bree@breegrows.com. I'm booking that through May, and you'll have open access to be able to buy the plants if you're not able to come on Saturday, May 13th. Well, as always, I appreciate you tuning in, and I'm wishing you the best. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.